Hey guys, we're gonna make some gluten-free Chinese. So, chicken. I'm gonna use the Sanjay gluten-free teriyaki light, less sodium. I need minced onions, garlic, ketchup, and honey. First things first, chicken goes in the crock pot after we cut off our nasty bits. Alright guys, now that we have our chicken in the crock pot, we are going to make the sauce. So push that back. Alright, first things first, we're going to use our teriyaki light. We're going to pour about a cup. I say about a cup because I don't actually know if I have a cup. Okay, not even close. We're going to do that much. So that much is 1/3. Underestimated myself there. Now we're going to add ketchup. And I'm going to make it to the 3/4 line. Now we're going to add some honey. You could add a lot of honey if you want it sweeter, or a little bit. I'm only adding probably the amount of 2 tablespoons because I don't like it super sweet. I'll go ahead and kind of mix this first. Alright, now we're going to add our minced garlic. I like a lot of garlic, but you add at least 1 spoonful. I add 2 spoonfuls because I really like it. Alright, and then last we're going to add some onion. Now we're going to whisk. Alright, once it looks about like that, we're just going to pour it straight over our chicken. I don't care if it coats the top because now it's soaking up. We are going to leave this lovely concoction for 6 to 8 hours on low. I do usually about 6. My crock pot cooks really fast. Alright guys, this is after about 7.5 hours. I mix it with rice and carrots.